So I figured I'd show you all how I draw Ladybug. The first thing being the skeleton sketch, which isn't an actual skeleton of course, but rather just framework. It's always easiest to get a good pose when you lay this sort of foundation down. I'll also be breaking down how I do the skeleton sketch in future tutorials. Once I've completed the framework, I start drawing the actual curves of the body, and drawing details like hands, which I struggled a bit with on her left hand, but I decided to leave that struggle in the video just to keep things realistic and show that I struggle also with drawing things a certain way. Almost every artist does. Once finished with that, I get even more detailed and start working on the hair, the bodysuit, and facial features. I also used some of my own previous tutorials when making her face, which was interesting because I've never made a tutorial on a 3/4 turned face, but some of the suggestions given for those previous tutorials still worked for it. So I'm excited to be able to show you all how I get those techniques to work for a 3/4 face. So when I start inking, you'll notice my sketch gets pretty light, and I achieve this by taking my kneaded eraser, which you can find in my description as well as other frequently used supplies, and I basically roll that kneaded eraser over top of the sketch. This makes the eraser pick up excess graphite without fully erasing your lines, so it makes your sketch super light, which helps a ton when it comes to inking over top, because it allows you to clearly see your inking while also being able to still guide yourself with your sketch. Once inking is finished, I then break out my alcohol markers and get to work with coloring. Ladybug's color scheme is pretty simple too. Her suit is red, eyes blue, hair black, and skin peach. So that's that. I hope you all enjoyed this, and I'll see you all next time. Thanks. Bye.